When I'm with you, I am able to keep pushing my limits, and all the drive that I have, well, I'm going the distance with you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's episode of soap making, I'll be teaching you how to make my vitamin C soap. This soap is super clarifying, brightening, and restores the youthfulness of your skin. If you're interested in this sort of video, please keep on watching and do not forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. I also want to see your comments below. So the first material we'll be needing in making this soap is our glycerin soap base. This soap base is just made out of glycerin. It is also a very nice soap base you can use when trying to make your vitamin C soap. So what I did now was to chop it into little chunks and put it into a melting bowl, and using a double boiling method, I'm going to melt this soap base into its liquid state. So if you want to use the goat milk soap base, you can use, it's totally up to you. For me, I prefer using the glycerin soap base for this kind of tutorial. And again, do not forget that this glycerin soap base is made out of glycerin, and glycerin is super good for your skin. So I'm going to leave this on my double boiling pot till the soap is entirely dissolved, and here is the soap all dissolved and in its liquid state. So the next thing I want to do is to add my vitamin C serum. This is pure vitamin C serum. Okay, this pure vitamin C serum. I'm going to add a few drops of the vitamin C serum. Measurement of this serum is totally up to you as well. If you want your soap super packed with the vitamin C serum, is up to you, but for tutorial purpose, that is why I'm being economical with the quantity of vitamin C I'm adding into this soap base. So you're going to give it a good stir, mix it entirely to make sure that the lumpy serum has been dissolved in the soap base. And the next I'm going to add now is my facial essence vitamin E soft gel. This soft gel is so good on the skin, especially your facial skin. So that is why I'm adding it into my soap base, into my soap mixture. And you can be formulating a super brightening, moisturizing soap without your sunflower oil. For me, I love sunflower oil. It's one of the best skin oils I've used so far. So I'm going to be adding half a tablespoon of the sunflower oil into the soap base, and I'm going to give this a good mix as well. Mix it till you're sure that the ingredients are totally incorporated into the soap base. And by the way, this soap base is still slightly hot, so I'm working fast so that it doesn't go hard on me. So the next you want to do now is to bring your silicone soap mold. I've had this for a while, so I'm using the silicone soap mold to actually mold my soap into the shape I want it to be. Just transfer your liquid soap into the soap mold and let it sit on the tabletop for 2 to 3 hours, and you come back and your soap is all ready, just as you're going to see in the next clip. Yes, that's it. The soap is all ready. And for the brown soap you see by the side, that is me drying or preparing my coffee soap, and the video is already up on the channel. I'll leave the link down below so that you can check it out and learn how to make this coffee soap. So quickly I'm going to pop out this vitamin C soap. Look at how good it is. Look at how good this soap is. It is so beautiful, so good, fabulous, fantastic on the skin. I don't even know what other names to call this soap.
Left a star glowing in your eyes when I'm not aware. You left a scar.
So guys, here we have our vitamin C soap we go Harvard. It is super brightening and good on your skin, and we're going to do a lather test. I always like doing a lather test because some of you say that the soap is not lathering after you watch my videos. This is a lather test unless you're doing yours strongly. So I'm going to do a lather test now, and this soap lathers so well. It lathers so good. Okay, I really love the soap. You can use it on your face, you can use it on your skin as your bath soap. And you know, the good thing about this soap is that you're formulating it yourself, so you're 101% sure of the potency of the soap on your skin. So far we've gotten to the end of this video. If you enjoyed, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Always like my videos, share my videos as well, comment below. I love to read all your comments in the comment section. And if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, I obviously don't know what you're doing. Make sure you're subscribed, you're giving this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you very, very soon. Bye bye.